In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Joomla site or multiple Joomla sites all at once to the latest release, 3.9.27. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. Thanks for tuning in to this video on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Yes, Joomla 3.9.27 is out. It contains 3 security fixes and 15 bugs and improvements. And as always, I hope that at least one of those things was something that was bugging you. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you will get your first month free. All right, let's turn our attention over to the screen. Here we are on the release news for Joomla 3.9.27. I'll put the link in the description for this video, and you can see specifically what has changed. Hey, subscribe to the channel because we'll be talking about this disable FLOC or flock by default at some point down the road. All right, so let's see how to update one site using the core method in Joomla. Here we are in the back end of the basicjoomla.com site. And you'll see after logging in, I get this notice here that Joomla 3.9.27 is available. I can update by clicking here or go to Components and Joomla Update. If you don't have that link, I do have a video show you how to get that showing up again, because sometimes, at least once on one of my sites, it was not there. And also, of course, before we proceed, make sure you back up your site. Because anything can happen at any time when you're doing things to your site, but especially on a version update. You just want to make sure you have something you can go back to if for some reason something weird happens. It might not even have anything to do with the update. Just stuff happens. So I have a video tutorial on how to do that with Akiba Backup. All right, well, we'll use this method here, Joomla Update. And we're just going to go and install the update. And we're going to see a green bar come up and chase across the screen. It'll happen any second. And when it starts to happen, it'll go super fast, just like that. Okay, there we go. We've updated Joomla. Now I'm going to clean the cache with Regular Labs Cache Cleaner. And I am going to preview my site just to make sure that it's working. And it is. That's great. Now, let's update 13 sites all at once using mysites.guru. Here we are logged into mysites.guru. This is actually one of my team member sites, so I'm not showing you all of the sites that I manage here, but just 13 of them. And what we can do is, I've already there. Let's see, all your sites. Let's scroll down to mass upgrade sites. All right, next we're going to collect the upgrade paths from those 14 sites. Now, one of them is the basic Joomla site. I haven't refreshed yet, so that's going to show up in this list as still needing to be updated. Actually, see, it says 3.9.27. It's already 3.9.27. But what we'll do is we will select all these pages because I want to update them all. We don't need to update basic Joomla, so we'll take that out. And these are all backed up. I have them scheduled to back up. A lot of the schedules I'm running through mysites.guru, which fires off Akiba Backup Pro for me. All right, we will click Start Upgrades for selected sites, and that is just going to run. Now, at this point, I could leave, but I like the feeling of progress that comes as each site dings as it successfully is updated. So we'll watch, here we go, we're watching more bars chasing across the screen. And once they're updated, we will get dings and notifications. And post-installation messages, if there are any of those that you've not dealt with in your Joomla site, you will be able to read them here. All right, let's just wait and see. And there you go. So for 88 keys by the sea.com, a couple of things I can check out, and plus this block federated learning of cohorts. And that's what we'll be talking about at some point soon on the channel. Anyways, lots of things went updating here, and I did hear a bong, which means something didn't work. Which one was it? Oh, this one here. No sensible reply. I could try that again, and I will try that again. Something happened, but no big deal. The rest updated, and I can go in and use that the single manual way. So there you have it. It's really super important to keep your software up to date. And there's no easier way to do it than to use MySites.guru, not only for updating Joomla versions, but for managing extension updates and learning tons that you can. So I really like that. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications of new videos and live streams that I'm doing, and also information about Flock coming up in a little while, I am sure, on there. Otherwise, YouTube thinks there's some things that you would like to watch. They're popping up on the screen now. Please do. It will help you. It will help me, and we'll all be happy together. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.